raise naive questions, and I apologize for that. But what sort of altitude would you typically fly at? So,
such like this picture on the screen, there are four purple fans and also have the cover on that. So once the people standing on there, it can fly to the sky within 5 meters or even to the 100 meters very high. Experience the most stable and safety experience. About the purple